Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is Become a Comic Book Hero. So guys, I have this application over here that you could use. So this will be available on the Google Play Store. So make sure to download this. And now, once you open the application, as you can see, it is showing us that we can turn our text to comic. Just simply tap on next, and it is just showing us the features of the application itself. And now from here, as you can see, this will be the home page. So first, in order for you to start, just simply select plus icon at the middle. And from here, you should be able to have multiple options. So we only have a generic for the free version, and you can just simply provide your prompt over here. So guys, I am going to just use the pre-text over here. So I have alien threat over here, and this is the example. So guys, of course, you could just simply provide your own prompt for your own imagination and your own creation. But for this video, I'm just gonna use the presets and just simply select create comic scene once you are done. And after that, just simply wait as it load up your comic creation. So now from here, as you can see, we have our first picture. And of course, you should be able to see here the storyline down below. And guys, and after that, when you swipe to the left, as you can see, we could create a scene, but we have to watch an ad. But pretty much over here, guys, you should be able to create a comic using AI. And now, if you want to reload the picture, you can just simply select the repost icon on the right side of the screen to reset the picture if you don't like the first generation. As you can see, we could change the scene based on our preferences. And now, once you are done with everything, you can just simply select the download icon on the top right corner of the screen. And of course, you have to select allow in order for you to download it. And as you can see, it has now been downloaded. And when we preview it from our files, it will look something like this one. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like. Thanks for watching.